Assalamualaikum. My name is HAZWAN. So for today we are going to present regarding the non-human language Lana. So what is Lana and who is Lana? Lana is a female chimpanzee that born in 1970. So if you will look at our introduction, in the early 1970, Duan Rombaugh and his team did a research at Yerkes Primate Center, United States, on a female chimpanzee called Lana to see whether a chimpanzee can learn to use a symbolic language and communicate through that system. So, and the next one is I'm going to tell about the Lana's background. So, what is Lana and how the Lana name come from? So, Lana come from language analog, which is the short from the LAN and also the A, and it is conducted in the 1970 at Yerkes National Primate Research Center in Emory University, United States. So Lana is the main subject of a research program studying language acquisition in the non-human primates. So how do we do the research? We're using one communication system that invented by the team, which is Yerkes. It is an artificial language and also used to communicate by Lana using a keyboard with a lexigram. So what is lexigram? Lexigram is a symbol of key that stood for words. This one will be explained by my other group member, and the keyboard is connected to a computer which display and printed what Lana typed or what her trying to say. And then the last one is the purpose of this study is to see if chimpanzee understand and use element of human-like language. So it also to see if they could understand our syntax, and also to see if they could communicate intentionally using a symbol-based system.
Hi, my name is IRFAN and I will be talking about how Lana learned to communicate. Lana was given a special keyboard that had many symbols on it. These symbols were part of a made-up language called Yerkes, where each symbol stood for a word or idea. At first, Lana didn't know what any of the symbols meant, but with time and training, she started to learn that pressing certain symbols could help her tell the humans what she wanted. For example, if Lana wanted to eat, she would press the symbol that meant eat. If she wanted water, she could press symbols that meant please give water. This was a big step because it showed that Lana was able to connect symbols with real things. The humans who worked with Lana could read the symbols on the computer and understand her messages. This means that even though Lana couldn't speak like us, she could still communicate in her own way. With more training, Lana started to understand that symbols could be combined to make simple phrases, kind of like short sentences. She began to see how one symbol connected to another. For example, how please and give could be used together to make a polite request. So, through practice and patience, Lana learned that symbols could be used to share her thoughts and feelings. She was learning how to express herself, which is something very special for an animal.
So, Assalamualaikum, my name is IQBAL HAKIM. So, I'm going to explain for the next part, which is Yerkes symbol. Lana, an intelligent chimpanzee, was taught a special artificial language known as Yerkes. Unlike other ordinary human languages that use letters and sound, Yerkes relies on a unique system of symbols to communicate. Lana used a specialty designed computer keyboard covered with these colorful geometric symbols. When she pressed a symbol, the computer would recognize it and record a sentence. This groundbreaking system allows scientists to study how animals could understand and use elements of human-like language. As we can see, these are examples of Yerkes symbols and also called lexigram. Each square symbol represents a complete word or concept, not just a letter or a sound. For example, one symbol might mean machine, another name of or candy. Lana, the chimpanzee, could press the symbol on a specialty designed keyboard to form a sentence such as Lana want candy or Lana tickle into machine. The symbols were designed to be simple but distinct, often made up of geometric shapes like line, circle, and triangles. This makes them easy for Lana to recognize and remember. Researchers used this system to explore how animals could understand structure and the meaning in the communication, something very similar to how humans use grammar and vocabulary.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AMIR HAFEZUDDIN. Now we're going to move on to the result of the Lana project. The first result of the Lana project is that Lana learned to form a full sentence. With the Lana project, the researcher able to give Lana the chimpanzee the ability to form a full sentence just by pressing the button that has been represented by them. Second result is that Lana learned how to read. By accidentally pressing the please button on the board, Lana learned that the word please is the beginning of the request sentence. So now, if whenever Lana wanted something, Lana will form a request sentence such as please, machine give piece of banana. Last result of the Lana project is that Lana learned the name of the objects. After pressing more and more buttons, Lana become more curious about things around her. So now Lana will form a question sentence such as question mark, what name of this period? In conclusion, Ramba and his team successfully proved that a chimpanzee has the ability to learn a symbolic language, understand the element of human-like language, and also use them for their own advantage.